Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the voice command on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to do that, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is go to your screen on the right side of your steering wheel. I'm going to give you guys a closer look like this. So you're going to be at first right here, and all you need to do, guys, is click on the settings icon here in the bottom. Once you click on the settings icon, you're going to find all of your car settings. Scroll down until you find this option, voice and search, and then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find mic button. As you can see, guys, it's already enabled. So if it's disabled, it will look like this. Give it a click and then it's going to be enabled. Here as well, you're going to find voice prompt. This option is responsible for if you want a feedback when you give a voice command or not. So in order to be able to use voice command, go ahead and click on the mic button, and as you can see, guys, you can give it a voice command. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.